Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wasn't able to actually get appropriate intro or outro because it was super early in the morning for me to get ready, and two, I ended up running late to this event. We celebrated the Day of the Kids here this last weekend, and in honor of the Avengers Infinity War and the kids, of course, we decided to dress up as heroes, and I got a chance to dress up as Gamora, which is why I ended up doing that. At the end, I will try and put some pictures of how it ended up being, and I might just post a picture on my Instagram to see or have you guys see it. So remember to subscribe, remember to like this video so that way I know that you're enjoying it. And all of my social media information is down in the description box below. Let me know what other superheroes or what other kind of looks you guys want to see. I'm going to be trying a couple of different styles of looks, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's 6:44 and I'm about to get ready for this big event. And he's
Super Ant Lord.
tell him the story. What happened here?
Oh, well, because you know, I got that red leather jacket, but it also has a Superman logo. And then I want to go look for a Star-Lord mask, but they didn't have one. So the closest thing that I could get to it would be Ant-Man. So Super Ant